Hello to everyone, welcome to Network Channel, to your self channel. Today I came to your service with another video. I want to tell you about the deleted message of WhatsApp. For example, a person message you and deletes it again. How can you read this deleted message? First, you subscribe Network Channel, your self channels, and also activate the alarm. Be the first to know the good videos I make. Well, in the first step, you go to the Play Store. Search. You download an application called Restore. You can see the picture. Restore. You can download this application. Well, now I download this application. Click install. Okay. If you could not find this application in the Play Store, I will put the link of this application in the description of this video for you. You can easily download it from there as well. I download it. I log in this application. Click open. Click let's go. Click allow. Next, if you want to receive notification in this application, you enable the notification of this application. And if you wanted to do not receive notification from this application, you disable the notification of this application. And you go back. You see two options here: chats and media. Chats and media. If you enable the chats option, you will see the message that were sent and then deleted. And if you enable the media option, you will see the photos or videos that were sent and then deleted. If you enable both options, you will see the message or photos or videos that were sent and then deleted. Click more. I enable both options. Use this application in the same state. Now I will show you both the deleted message and the deleted photos or videos. Well, I will now message to my second phone and delete it again. I see my second phone. You see on my second mobile phone, every message we did was deleted and nothing is clear. Now I go to the Restore app. You see it shows as all deleted message. You see it shows as all deleted messages. And also now I send a photo from my first phone to my second phone and deleted it from both sides. I see my second mobile phone. You see the photos I sent have been deleted and nothing is clear. Now I go to the restore application. You see it shows us all deleted photos. Using this application, you can see deleted messages and photos and videos. This is very easy. The video I presented to you today be interesting and well finished. Please do not forget to share of network channel videos your self channel. I will try to present you dear ones with good, interesting and spectacular videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe network channel, your self channels for more videos. Goodbye.